Rejection to Revolution. Chapter 1. Jacqueline in School. Jacqueline lives in a small town named Sitapur. She is a bright and hard-working girl. Her parents are farmers. They do not speak English, but they support her studies. In school, Jacqueline always gets good marks. She is good in English grammar. She knows tenses, vocabulary, and writing rules. Her teachers like her, but she does not speak English fluently. When the teacher asks her to speak, she becomes nervous. She understands everything but she does not speak. She fears that people will laugh, so she stays silent. Chapter 2. Jacqueline in College. After school, Jacqueline goes to college in a big city. Everything is new. The students speak English very well. They are confident and modern. In college, she sees a boy named Arav. He is smart, fluent in English, and popular. He gives good presentations. He speaks English with confidence. Everyone likes him. Jacqueline also starts liking him. She wants to talk to him, but she feels nervous. After some weeks, she decides to tell him her feelings. She goes to Arav and says, "I like you." Arav smiles and says kindly, "You are a good girl, but I want someone who speaks fluent English and thinks like me." These words hurt Jacqueline. She feels sad and rejected. She cries alone in her room. Chapter 3. A New Decision. Jacqueline feels pain, but she also understands something important. She knows grammar, but she cannot speak fluently. She decides to change her life. She stands in front of the mirror and says, "I will speak English now. I will not stay silent." She does not have money for a coaching class, but she uses her time and phone. Chapter 4. Her practice. Jacqueline makes a plan. She speaks English for 10 minutes daily. She writes a diary in English. She watches English movies with subtitles. She listens to English songs. She records her voice and checks her mistakes. She learns 5 new words daily. She speaks with helpful friends. Every day she practices. She makes mistakes, but she does not stop. Slowly, she speaks better. Her fear goes away. She feels confident. After 6 months, she speaks English fluently. She still has an accent, but now she speaks with courage. Chapter 5. The Job Interview. After college, Jacqueline applies for a job. She goes for an interview. The interviewer asks, "Tell me about yourself." Jacqueline smiles and says in English, "Good morning, sir. My name is Jacqueline. I come from a small town, but I have big dreams. I learn English with practice, not with fear." The interviewer is impressed. She gets the job. Chapter 6. Helping others. Jacqueline is happy, but she thinks about other students who also fear English. She wants to help them. She starts a YouTube channel. The name is Fluent with Jacqueline. She teaches English in Hindi plus English. She gives 2 hours every day to make videos. In her videos, she uses simple examples. She teaches spoken English for interviews, daily conversation, students and beginners, rural and Hindi medium learners. At first, few people watch, but slowly, the channel grows. Her confidence and teaching style help many people. People comment, "Ma'am, now I speak English. I passed my interview because of your videos. You are like our English sister." Soon, she gets 1 million subscribers. Her videos become viral. Chapter 7. A Foreign Offer. One day, Jacqueline gets an email from a big language institute in Canada. They watch her YouTube videos. They like her teaching. They offer her a scholarship to study advanced communication skills. They also invite her to teach students from different countries. Now, Jacqueline is no longer the girl who fears English. She is now a global speaker. She flies to Canada to attend international workshop. Her dream becomes real. Chapter 8. Jacqueline's message. Jacqueline now teaches students around the world. She said, "English is a skill, not a status. You do not need to be perfect. You only need to start. Speak every day, make mistakes, learn, grow." She continues to make videos. Her goal is to help 1 million people become fluent, just like her. Conclusion. Jacqueline's story teaches us, rejection is not the end, it can be the beginning. English is not only grammar, it is also confidence and practice. Anyone can speak English if they try daily. Jacqueline turns her pain into purpose. Now she is a voice for others. Now we will talk about why we should learn English. Title: English, a language of global connection and personal growth. Introduction. Language is one of the most powerful tools given to human, and among the thousands of languages spoken around the world, English holds a special place. It is often referred to as a global language or the link language because it connects people from different cultures, regions, and countries. In today's fast-moving world, English is more than just a subject in school. It is a life skill that opens doors to knowledge, communication, and success. The history and spread of English. English originated in England, But over the centuries, due to colonization and globalization, it spread to many parts of the world. Today, English is one of the most widely spoken languages. It is the official or second language in more than 70 countries, and it is used as a common language for international communication. Even in non-English speaking countries like India, English has become an important part of education, government, business, and media. Why English is important. 1. Global communication. English acts as a bridge between people of different native languages. Whether it's an international conference, a tourist trip, or an online video call, English helps people communicate easily. 2. Educational opportunities. Most top universities, research papers, and academic content are available in English. If a student knows English, they can access books, online courses, and videos from around the world. English is also required for exams like IELTS, TOEFL, and other entrance tests for foreign education. 3. Career growth. In many fields such as IT, business, medicine, and science, English is the working language. Good English skills increase the chances of getting a better job, being selected in interviews, and growing in the professional world. Multinational companies especially prefer employees who can speak and write well in English. 4. Daily life and social confidence. In modern life, English is all around us, in advertisements, product labels, instructions, signboards, and official documents. In cities and even in town, English is used in banks, hospitals, schools, and offices. Knowing English gives people confidence to express themselves and be part of social and professional conversations. 5. Technology and internet. Most websites, apps, videos, and software are in English. Social media platforms, search engines, and even AI tools like ChatGPT work better when used in English. Learning English makes it easier to stay updated with new technology and digital trends. Challenges in learning English. While English is important, many people face difficulty in learning it. Especially in countries like India, students from rural or Hindi medium backgrounds may have good grammar but struggle with fluency. Fear of speaking wrong, lack of practice, and limited exposure are common issues. But the good news is, English is not hard to learn, if approached with interest and regular practice. Like any other skill, speaking and understanding English improves with time and consistency. How to improve English? Read daily. Start with small storybooks, newspapers, or English comics. Listen and watch. Watch English movies or YouTube channels with subtitles. Speak without fear. Start by speaking to yourself in front of a mirror, or record your voice. Write regularly. Keep a diary or write small paragraphs. Learn vocabulary. Learn 5 to 10 new English words daily and use them in sentences. Today, even people with weak English backgrounds are becoming fluent by USI. Write regularly. Keep a diary or write small paragraphs. Learn vocabulary. Learn 5 to 10 new English words daily and use them in sentences. Today, even people with weak English backgrounds are becoming fluent by using mobile apps, online courses, and social media practice. A real-life inspiration. There are many real-life stories of people who once feared English but later became fluent and successful. For example, a girl from a small village may not have spoken English confidently, but through daily practice and hard work, she not only improved herself but also started a YouTube channel to teach English to others, and even got international offers. This shows that language is never a barrier when determination is strong. Conclusion. English is no longer just a foreign language, it is now a global language that belongs to everyone. In education, jobs, technology, and social life, English plays a powerful role. While it is important to respect and love our mother tongue, learning English adds a great advantage in the modern world. Whether your goal is to travel the world, get a good job, or simply express yourself better, English can be your greatest tool.